Hi, I hope you are doing well. So now I think two tasks are remaining. First of all, we need to hide wholesale collections on this collection list. So hide these collections from collection list. There are two methods I proposed. First thing is we can hide them using CSS in the backend as I did it. And the other option was suggested by yourself, that was locksmith. So I tested locksmith. It worked in this way. So first of all, we will create a wholesale collection, and then we will come here in locksmith app and put restrictions on that collection. So locksmith will hide that collection for the customers, and it will only display the collection for those users who have tag B2B. For example, let me lock collection wholesale too. So here I'll need to add a condition B2B. So this is collection list page. You can see that it is not displaying any collection here. Uh, but you can see that here I am logged in as a B2B customer. So here I can see wholesale category in the collection list, and here I'm not logged in as a wholesale, and not even logged in as a B2C. So that wholesale category is hidden here. So I think hiding collection from the collection list is resolved now. But I did a lot of search about payment methods. For payment method, we cannot hide other payment methods for B2C. The only thing we can do is we can add another custom payment methods. In this way, wholesale users must have to select this fourth option, that is only for wholesale customers, and we cannot hide this option for B2C customers, and we cannot hide other online payment options for B2B customers. I did research about it. We cannot even use JavaScript to do this option, and also only Shopify Plus option allow this thing. Otherwise, I did not find any option for this payment method. So let me know what we should do. I think all other things are done. Only this payment method is remaining, and we are not finding any other solution to do this. Let me know what we should do. Thank you.